Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and graph this function y equals negative cube root of x minus 3 plus 4. We know what the parent function is. We are just transforming that parent function. Okay, so we know the parent function has an inflection point at 0, 0, but this tells us that we're going 3 right and 4 up, and we have a reflection. So this is our 4 up, that was our 3 right, and this is our reflection. So let's graph it. Let's move 3 right, 1, 2, 3, and 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my new point of inflection is going to be right there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and graph it. I'm just going to make a diagonal, I'm going to make one point up here and one point down here for precision, because I know that's what the parent graph looks like, and I'm just going to draw my graph right through there. And like that. My point of inflection right there. Good. So now let's look at this. What is the domain? Well, if I am going along the x-axis, right over here, where's the function defined? Everywhere on the x-axis. If I go up here, I will eventually see the function. If I go over here, I'll see it, 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 I'll see it forever. So my domain is just negative infinity to infinity. What about my range? Don't let this throw you off. There are no asymptotes here. Okay, so my range. Let me see what happens when I go up the y-axis. Okay, this is the y-axis. Okay, let's start from the bottom. Will I eventually see it down here? Yes, because this is decreasing. This guy is decreasing and he'll slowly get lower. Okay, so I will eventually end up seeing the function to my left, I'll end up seeing it, oh, I see it there, I'll hit it there, and then as I keep going up, I see it to my right, okay? So my range, and I'll eventually see it even all the way up here and further up, because this on the right side it's increasing. So my range is, again, negative infinity to infinity. We have no asymptotes stopping us here, so it's all the real numbers. Intervals of increase. Do we have any intervals of increase here? Well, if I start walking along my graph, my graph is the green guy, I'm walking, I'm having to move my finger up farther and farther and farther. I'm just moving up, okay? So my interval of increase is the same as my domain, okay? Increase. It's negative infinity to infinity. My decrease. From left to right, I'm never decreasing. So I have no interval of decrease.